Hello students, this is Mohit from Team Lex Templum. Now, before we start with the prediction process, I need to share some important thoughts of mine with you, and this is something which is coming from my heart, and this is for all the students who have taken up this examination. Dear students, many congratulations to all of you for making this far. See, in spite of all the worries, problems, troubles, difficulties, and anxieties 2020 had unprecedentedly stored for all of you, still you have managed to defy all odds and obstacles to come this far. So, from the team of Lex Templum, we have got nothing but applause, accolades, and appreciation for every single one of you who have participated in this process and who have come this far. It doesn't matter what rank or what score you are securing. A big encouragement and a big clap for each one of you who have taken this examination. And just before I start the main part of this particular session, let me make it extremely clear, my dear students, that life is more about the processes and the paths we choose to follow. I would request all of you to not limit your life's infinite capabilities, proficiencies, and competencies on the outcome of a single CLAT LLM examination. I know a lot of students are dejected, demotivated because there was a change in the pattern of the examination. Some of the students, some of the questions were out of their anticipation and expectation, and most probably as a result of which they have secured low marks. But believe you me, life is just not about qualifying one examination. Now, let us start with the process. Now, before I start with the prediction process, I would make it extremely clear to all of you that we are not claiming 100% accuracy in our expected cutoff predictions. Our intention is to give you a picture which is almost similar to the final picture, if not the final picture, which will be released on 5th of October by the CLAT Consortium. Okay, so let us start with our prediction. And it is my humble and honest effort to all of you to please listen to me very diligently, because this sample survey and the way we have done it is something which is not easy. It's technical in nature, and we have applied principles of mathematics, arithmetics, and statistics to come to this conclusion. Okay, now understand, we have got different columns here. Let us start with the first column. The first column is the sample size count. So if you add up the entire sample size count, you will have a total number of 489. So which means uska matlab ye hai that a total number of 489 students participated in the survey which was conducted by us. इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने अपना मार्क्स हमारे सर्वे में रजिस्टर कराया. Now let us come to the upper range and the lower range part. Let us take the first upper range and lower range part, that is 180. Now, as per our survey, a total of 3 students have secured between 80 to 100 marks. Now, let us come to the next column. Okay, the next row in sense. So, if we come to the next row, it is 8. So, please come to the sample size count column. If you see to the next row, it is 8. So, a total of 8 students have secured between 70 marks and 79.9 marks. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now let us take an example of any other column or any other row. Let us come to 145. So the 145 number which is mentioned in the sample size count column. So a total of 145 students have scored between 20 to 29.9 in the CLAT LLM examination. It is, see, 145 students basically means जिन लोगों ने हमारे यहाँ register किया. This is not the total number. I hope these 3 columns are clear to you. Now let us come to the other columns which we have not discussed till now. The other columns are the multiplier column. Now why have we inserted this multiplier column? See, the reason is we are going with this presumption that a total of 5,000 students participated in the CLAT examination LLM process. बिकॉज अभी तक क्लैट ने ऑफिशियली कोई डाटा नहीं दिया है कि कितने बच्चों ने एलएलएम में पार्टिसिपेट किया है. and there is good probability that a lot of students had actually withdrawn because of COVID pandemic and so many other reasons. So that is why we are construing and expecting कि approximately 5,000 to 6,000 students ने इस बार CLAT LLM examination दिया है. The number might be more, the number might be less. But since we are going with a lot of probability and presumptions, we had to take a number. The number which we have taken is 5,222. ओके जबकि 489 स्टूडेंट्स ने हमारे सर्वे में पार्टिसिपेट किया है. अब मल्टीप्लायर का मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं टू द सैंपल साइज काउंट. नाउ मल्टीप्लायर हमने कैसे एडजुडिकेट किया, हाउ डिड वी एडजुडिकेट कि मल्टीप्लायर 1 होगा 2 होगा. जो मल्टीप्लायर है इट इज इन द रेशियो ऑफ द सैंपल साइज काउंट. नाउ लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. Let's say a student has secured 24 marks. So he will come in this category, the category in which the lower range is 20 and the upper range is 29.9. And how many students have registered in our survey? A total of 145 students. So हमारा survey ये कह रहा है कि maximum number of students who have participated in CLAT LLM examination process have scored between 20 to 29.9. And as a result of which we have attached the maximum multiplier to that particular range. I hope this is clear to you. Now coming to the final column which we have mentioned. So what we are doing is that we are multiplying the sample size count into the multiplier. So 3 into 1 becomes 3. So a total of 3 students in our anticipation expectation basing upon the empirical data we have collected and collated. In our conclusion, a total of 3 students in this CLAT LLM examination would eventually score more than 80 marks, right? This might be wrong, this might be correct, but this is something which we are doing on numbers, right? This is not something which is based on assumptions and utopian ideas. Let us come to the next row. The next row is that a total of 8 students have scored between 70 to 79.9. Now 70 to 79.9 8 students is for our survey. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि पूरे क्लैट में इतने बच्चों ने इतना ही स्कोर किया होगा. And that is the reason because of which we are attaching a multiplier, and that multiplier is 2. So 8 into 2 becomes 16. Now similarly if we say कि basing upon the sample size count in our survey हम लोगों ने multiplier को attach किया है. So let us pick up any other column. So let us pick up the column. Let us take an example in which a student has secured 35 marks. So in our survey, 112 students have basically said that they have scored between 30 to 39.9. And that is the reason because of which we have attached multiplier number 12 into that. So what we are doing is 112 into 12, and that is 1344. So when the final results will come on October 5th, 2020, it's our prediction basing upon arithmetic, statistics, and mathematics that in that particular segment of 30 to 39.9, 2082 students will be there. That is our prediction. I hope this is clear. Now coming to the last column, which we have not discussed till now. Last column kuch bhi nahi hai. What we are doing is that we are just adding up the final tally. 3 plus 16 becomes 19, 16 plus 45 becomes 64. Why have we done this? What is the intention? इसका मतलब ये है, let us take the example of 60. Lower range में आते हैं हम. Let us take the lower range 60. Means 60. So if a student is securing 60 marks, उसका maximum rank 64 होगा. Minimum rank. He might score 50, 51 rank, 55 rank or 40 rank. But his maximum rank will be 64. Similarly, if a student is securing 50 marks, his maximum rank will be 276. Similarly, if a student is securing 20 marks, his maximum rank will be 4,402. I hope this survey and the analysis which we have done is extremely clear to all of you. I hope this should be beneficial to all of you, and this might eradicate and diminish or dilute a lot of confusions जो आप लोग फेस कर रहे थे या आप लोग जो इनकाउंटर कर रहे थे. ये आपको मदद करेगा आपके काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस में. Now let us come to the next slide. Now, this is the NLU seat matrix. Now, what we have done is that we have taken up the general seats, the unreserved seats of all the NLUs which are offering LLM courses. Remember one thing, CNLU does not participate in CLAT LLM preparation, CLAT LLM examination, and a lot of new NLUs, they actually don't offer LLM courses. As a result of which, if you combine all the unreserved category seats in 2020, the total number of seats are 444. I hope this is clear to all of you. Please look into it. This is not something which I should explain. Okay, now let us come to the next slide. Now, final expected cutoff. So students, I am not digressing from the cutoff which we had predicted in our first or the second video which we had made on CLAT LLM cutoff. हमें अभी भी यही लगता है कि टीयर 1 कॉलेजेस में 55 प्लस, टीयर 2 कॉलेजेस में 45 प्लस और टीयर 3 कॉलेजेस में 35 प्लस होगा. And all these scores are out of 120 जो आपको पता ही होगा. Now try to understand the division of colleges into tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. We are not doing on the basis of placements, hostel, infrastructure, ranking. हमने जो डिवीजन किया है टीयर 1, टीयर 2 और टीयर 3 का, हमने सिर्फ इसी बेसिस पे किया, एंड द बेसिस इज द प्रेफरेंसेस. जो स्टूडेंट्स के प्रेफरेंसेस थे 2018 में, 19 में, 17 में और एक्सेट्रा. Now, if you see in tier 1, हमने RMNLU को भी include किया है. RMNLU, to be specific, offers only 10 general courses. As a result of which, RML का cutoff बहुत बार नालसार, जोधपुर और NLS, NUJS से भी ऊपर होता है. ऐसा बहुत बार देखा गया है LLM के कोर्स में. So, जैसा UG में होता है, जरूरी नहीं है वैसा PG में. So, मैं फिर से आपको एक बार बता दूं that the division of universities into different tiers we have done only on one single parameter, and that is the parameter of preference, which was exercised by the students in the past years. Now, if we come to tier 2 college, अब देखिए tier 2 में हमने एक नया addition किया है, that is MNLU. A lot of students in the past year, in the year 2019 itself, जबकि वो MNLU का पहला साल था, still they went with MNLU because of the location and the great LLM courses or specialization it was offering, right? Tier 3 are the remaining colleges, and still the cutoff will be 35 plus. Now, ये जो cutoff है, I am not including the vacancies. आपको पता होगा कि एक बार जब CLAT काउंसलिंग खत्म होती है तो उसके बाद वैकेंसीज आती है. Now, the vacancies, the list of vacancies are individually released by the universities. और वैकेंसीज में cutoff बहुत नीचे तक जाता है. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि tier 3 30 तक चला जाए या 25 तक चला जाए. That is something which we cannot say because that is precisely based on vacancy. In addition to this, ये जो हम कट ऑफ बता रहे हैं, ये हम अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी के लिए बता रहे हैं. हम रिजर्व कैटेगरी के लिए नहीं बता रहे हैं, whether it's horizontal or vertical reservation. That is something which will definitely vary. I hope this video was beneficial to all of you. In case if you have got any questions, please you can write to us on our email, or you can WhatsApp us or Telegram us. We will be making separate videos on different NLUs offering different specializations, and try to understand there is a great amount of difference between PG and UG. आप मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछिएगा सर कि सर टोटल नंबर ऑफ सीट्स तो 444 ही हैं, तो क्या सिर्फ 500 स्टूडेंट्स को ही सीट मिलेगा? नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. A lot number of students only participate in this examination to actually crack the PSU cutoff, क्योंकि उनको PSU में नौकरी चाहिए या जॉब चाहिए, तो वो स्टूडेंट्स सीट्स ऑक्यूपाई नहीं करते हैं. In addition to this, बहुत बार ऐसा क्या होता है, a lot of judicial aspirants sit in the examination with the intention कि हम ऐसे एग्जाम दे देते हैं और जब बाद में रिजल्ट आएगा तो देखा जाएगा. So in spite of the fact that they score good marks, they don't turn up or take admission in the examination. और उसी का रीजन ये होता है कि फाइनल जो रैंक होता है वो 1500, 1600 या इवन 2000 तक चला जाता है वैकेंसीज में. सो आप प्लीज ये मत सोचिएगा, आई एम टॉकिंग टू द अनरिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी पीपल. रिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी के लिए तो कट ऑफ बहुत पीछे तक जाता है. सो फॉर ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स हु बिलोंग टू द रिजर्व्ड कैटेगरी, आप हम लोग फिर से उसके लिए एक वीडियो लाने का सोच रहे हैं. यू कैन राइट टू अस. सो जो अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए हमारा यही मैसेज है, इफ यू आर, अगर आपका रैंक 1500 या 2000 तक भी आता है, देन ऑल्सो देयर इज अ ग्रेट चांस दैट यू विल प्रोबेबली गेट अ सीट इन द NLUs। थैंक यू। आई होप ये वीडियो आपको बेनिफिट करे, ताकि आप आने वाले दिनों में ज़्यादा ना घबराएं और अपना डिस्क्रिप्शन जुडिशियसली लें। थैंक यू सो मच।